Hey everyone, welcome back to channel today. We're diving into the world of comfort, hygiene, and luxury with the top 5 bidet toilet seats of 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the description below. If you want a cleaner, fresher, and more eco-friendly bathroom experience, you don't want to miss this. Start at number 1, the ultimate value. With a sleek design and high-quality parts, our bidet attachment will give your bathroom a next-level look. Constructed with high-pressure valves with metal ceramic cores and steel hoses instead of plastic, hygienic protection. The guard gate is designed to shield the nozzles for your ultimate sanitary experience. The nozzles automatically retract behind the guard gate after each wash to ensure it is protected until your next use. An easy home upgrade. Elevating your home with a luxurious element has never been easier. Includes all parts and tools to get your bidet up and running in minutes. Easily attaches to and detaches from any standard 2-piece toilet. Save money every use. Save money and trees on toilet paper. Cleaning with our bidet is gentle on your skin and sustainable for the planet. 18-month warranty. Our world-class customer care team is always here to make sure you are 100% satisfied. So anytime you have problems or concerns about the products, we are just one call away. Register your bidet online and get an extended warranty. The Samodra Ultra Slim Bidet Attachment is designed to bring comfort, hygiene, and convenience to your everyday bathroom routine. Featuring dual nozzles for both rear and feminine wash, this bidet offers a personalized cleaning experience suitable for men and women alike. With its easy-to-use rotary switch, you can smoothly adjust between modes and control water pressure for gentle or stronger cleaning as per your preference. What makes this bidet stand out is its ultra-slim design, 60% thinner than traditional models, measuring only 0.19 inches in thickness. The improved edge design ensures a perfect fit on most toilets, eliminating compatibility concerns. Built with high-quality ABS material, the Samodra bidet not only looks sleek in your bathroom, but also offers long-lasting durability. The adjustable water pressure system allows you to customize intensity effortlessly. A smart nozzle protection design ensures the nozzles remain safe and clean when not in use, preventing damage from external force. Installation is simple thanks to the included stainless steel braided hose, brass T-adapter, and Teflon tape. Within minutes, you can upgrade your bathroom with a fresh-water, eco-friendly cleaning solution without electricity or batteries. The Samodra Ultra Slim Bidet combines innovation, hygiene, and sustainability, making it a must-have for modern households. Number at 3, clean and refreshing. With Brondell's EcoSeat 101 Bidet, you'll experience a soothing, freshwater wash that leaves you feeling clean and rejuvenated. Plus, this economical bidet requires no electricity or batteries. High-quality parts. Enjoy dual nozzles for rear and front washes, a gentle closing seat, and sturdy sittable lid. Easy installation. This elongated bidet toilet seat measures 20 by 14.39 by 2.35 inches and can easily be self-installed in minutes. No plumbers necessary. Versatile style. This bidet fits elongated toilets and looks great in any bathroom. The textured chrome dial accent adds an elegant touch to your new home spa experience that helps protect our planet's essential resources. From water-saving showers and lower wastewater filtration to bidets that help reduce toilet paper and energy use, we're helping you live more sustainably, and it feels better already. Next number at 4. The TUSHY Classic 3.0 Bidet Toilet Seat Attachment is a stylish and practical way to upgrade your bathroom with better hygiene and eco-friendly cleaning. Designed with a sleek platinum control knob, this non-electric bidet connects directly to your toilet's fresh water supply, giving you a refreshing clean without the need for electricity or batteries. Featuring a patented smart spray nozzle, the TUSHY 3.0 ensures a self-cleaning experience after every use, keeping your bidet hygienic and low maintenance. With the precision nozzle adjuster, you can easily control the spray angle for targeted cleaning, while the adjustable water pressure dial allows you to customize intensity from a gentle rinse to a stronger wash. Installation is simple and quick, no plumber required. The bidet attaches to most standard toilets in just minutes, making it a convenient upgrade for any household. Plus, with multiple stylish color options, including the platinum knob finish, it blends seamlessly with modern bathroom decor. Eco-conscious and cost-effective, the TUSHY Classic 3.0 reduces toilet paper usage, helping you save money while promoting sustainability. With comfort, hygiene, and easy installation in one, the TUSHY Classic 3.0 is a bathroom essential for anyone looking to improve their daily routine. Number 5. Dual wash modes. The rear wash sprays a stronger flow towards the rear. The feminine wash sprays a softer flow towards the front. The feminine wash also helps to keep you clean during monthly cycles and comes in handy for new or expecting mothers. Hygienic protection. The guard gate is designed to shield the nozzles for your ultimate sanitary experience. The nozzles automatically retract behind the guard gate after each wash to ensure it is protected until your next use. The ultimate value. With a sleek design and high-quality parts, our bidet attachment will give your bathroom a next-level look. Constructed with high-pressure valves with metal ceramic cores and steel hoses instead of plastic. An easy home upgrade elevating your home with a luxurious element has never been easier. Includes all parts and tools to get your bidet up and running in minutes. Easily attaches to and detaches from any standard two-piece toilet. Month warranty. Our world-class customer care team is always here to make sure you are 100% satisfied. So anytime you have problems or concerns about the products, we are just one call away. Register your bidet online and get an extended warranty. There you have it, the top 5 bidet toilet seats of 2025 to upgrade your bathroom game. Which one would you choose? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the description below so you never miss our top product reviews. Thanks for watching.